It's leaning over. We got bent at the base.
Big old sign is leaning.
I guess you won't know if they have some hot donuts.
Tesla truck.
Oh, the Cybertruck. Been seeing a lot of those here, right, Dad?
I've seen a few.
Looks like the roof got tore up on top of Goodwill. Dairy Queen. Guess we ain't getting no breakfast, Dad.
Yeah, they got electricity up here.
Up here? There's Zaxby's, maybe. No, they're closed. And the power pole's down there. In there. I guess somebody said, I'm not coming into work today.
Limited time Mr. Beast.
That is, Mr. Beast is a streamer, or YouTuber. Who knows, maybe they don't open till midday. Swerving. I think we're getting back to where we have no power, Dad.
It's a power company right there.
This is the power company. They're doing some overtime right now, huh?
I'd imagine.
What did they do to the front of this?
With the
Little
silver spark.
They probably were flying around. I think we still have no power. Is
All
that?
the motels are full.
Yeah, that's true. The motels are full. Probably because people are being displaced, then. Or it's Memorial Day weekend.
You can shut down. They got a bunch of trees down. Not as pretty as cemetery now with the trees all down.
Yeah. Yeah, it pulled up a grave. Our headstone.
Pretty nice when they ran all the trees. But roof is gone off that mausoleum. See what it looks like inside here.
Oh, they were working on building all those houses, Dad.
Yeah, I don't think that helped them build
Framing fell over.
apartment complex.
Look, person, you can't stop there. We gotta come out.
The leaves are touching the car.
Is that why they slowed down?
Yeah. That house survived. You all right?
Like, kick the fences out there.
I gotta call Tommy and Gary. See how they do. That tree's on top of what the vehicle looks like.
On top of two vehicles. that land on top of a Jeep. Brand new Jeep.
The police, they must have dropped that tree right there. Because 2 police cars went through. One didn't come back.
Oh, they got in trouble for what they did?
No, I'm saying 2 police cars went by and didn't come back, so those trees must have been dropped just now.
No, the one came back. That's all come back.
Oh, did he?
Yeah. I've already filmed all that.